This has been a really entertaining evening to see all the people here and all the enthusiasm for what we're doing.
I think the tide is in our favor. We've got a project with an amazing group of students who can win this, want to win this, and are interested in winning it.
I think one of the most amazing experiences has been the incredible support from the entire Rancho Cielo community, including our experts who have been wonderful at providing all the information that anyone would possibly need to make a sustainable, healthy home.
This has been a really interesting project to be involved with because there's tremendous power here. We can use what we do here, if we're lucky and smart, to change codes in California so that we can do a much better job in future of making buildings that are both water and energy efficient. And to me, that's going to be a lot of fun.
And we got a whole community around us of builders who understand the trades and understand how we can reinvent housing and show the judges and the competition something that will provide healthy, durable, and energy efficient housing for all, affordable for all. I'm super excited about what we're doing.
Thanks so much for coming today to this open house. Thanks for supporting our project.
Thank you guys for supporting our construction project. We are ready to participate in Orange County and we are ready to win this competition.
Thank you for donating your time and also for supporting us. Hope we win grants so we can make the Construction Academy better.
I thank you all for making these opportunities possible for students like me.
We look forward to these opportunities after high school and to continue our career in construction.